Efficient, reliable, consistent. Since 1909, when W.D. Coolidge first tackled the challenge of creating durable lamp filament by using an ingot of sintered tungsten, powder metallurgy technology has been at the forefront of modern manufacturing innovation. PM components have revolutionized nearly every consumer market around the globe, from automotive, medical and dental, aerospace and defense, lawn and garden, industrial motors, controls and hydraulics, hardware and appliances, electronic and electrical, and hand tools and recreation. And for the last 55 years, the Metal Powder Industries Federation has sponsored the premier PM Parts Awards competition. The growth of the industry and rise of new PM technologies have provided opportunity to enhance this awards competition by making it more inclusive, allowing each processing technology to shine in their own right. This year's award-winning components showcase PM's unique ability to challenge competing technologies. PM provides component designers with the ability to utilize advanced engineering methods that add up to part-to-part uniformity for improved product quality, shape and material flexibility, application versatility, and more. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we proudly present to you the winners of the 2019 PM Design Excellence Awards. We'll begin with the Awards of Distinction. Catalyst Corporation has won an award of distinction in the Automotive Engine category for conventional PM components. This award-winning component is for an access hole cover used to transfer collected oil from the crankcase ventilation system at the top of the engine into the engine block. It had to use an existing bolt pattern and have a low profile to permit clearance to the nearby engine control module. This resin-impregnated part is made from FC0208 at a 6.7 grams per cubic centimeter density. After machining, the part is zinc-nickel barrel plated and washed. The 14:1 length to diameter ratio of the 5mm partial through hole presented a challenge and required a lathe equipped with a Y-axis for deburring the hole where it broke through the ellipsoid profile. The PM part replaced an assembly of multiple stamped, machined, and drawn components and resulted in a 27% weight savings. Nichols Portland LLC has won an award of distinction in the Automotive Engine category for conventional PM components. This award-winning component is for a rotor vane used in an engine lubrication oil pump system, made from a modified FD0205 material to a minimum density of 6.9 grams per cubic centimeter. The part has a typical density of 6.95 grams per cubic centimeter, minimum yield strength of 50,000 psi, a 90% rotating beam fatigue limit of 29,000 psi, and apparent hardness of 76 HRB. The part is sized, face ground, deburred, and cleaned. The product application requires high accuracy of rotor radial dimensions, inside diameter spline, and vane slot features to reduce internal pump leakage and achieve the required system mechanical efficiency. Indo-MIM Private Limited has won an award of distinction in the Automotive Engine category for MIM components. This award-winning component is for a valve poppet used in the fuel injection system of a diesel engine for heavy trucks. The extremely small part has a tight tolerance on its outside diameter and the perpendicularity of the three legs. Part-specific forms were used during sintering to maintain part quality. Made from MIM 4605, quenched and tempered, the part is subjected to a barreling process to improve surface finish. FMS Corporation has won an award of distinction in the Automotive Chassis category for conventional PM components for customer kit masters. This award-winning fan clutch assembly is used in cooling systems for semi-tractors and other large diesel engine vehicles. The 6 PM parts included a bushing tensioner retainer and an index coupler. The former, a 6-level component, required 2 upper and 3 lower punches for compaction on a CNC servo-controlled press. The index coupler has 9 holes formed during compaction and 29 different identifying letters and numbers for functional operation in the assembly. Tapping the holes was the only machining operation. All 6 parts are made from FC0208-50. The PM parts replaced machined components and offered a 60% cost savings. GKN Powder Metallurgy has won an award of distinction in the Automotive transmission category for conventional PM components for customer Ford Motor Company. This award-winning transmission park range sensor control bracket acts as a stop to prevent over-travel of a transmission rod in the parking system. While mechanical properties are not a major concern, the positional tolerance of the part once bolted in place is critical. The part is made from sinter-hardened FLC2 4808-85HT that provides strength and wear resistance and better dimensional control than a quenched and tempered part. FMS Corporation has won an award of distinction in the Hand Tools Recreation category for conventional PM components for Polaris Industries Incorporated Slingshot. This award-winning camshaft and water pump sprocket are used in a 3-wheel side-by-side moto roadster. The water pump sprocket was especially challenging, as the customer desired a one-piece shaft sprocket design. Compaction required a significant amount of powder transfer to the upper punch. The parts are made from a modified 4300 low-alloy steel powder that is warm die compacted and high-temperature vacuum sintered to a typical density of 7.2 grams per cubic centimeter, giving an ultimate tensile strength of 195,000 psi, nearly 2% elongation, and an apparent hardness of 45 HRC. The PM components represent a 40% cost savings compared with machining. Webster Hoff Corporation has won an award of distinction in the Hardware Appliances category for conventional PM components for human scale. This award-winning component is a ratcheting lock, part of the locking mechanism in an adjustable office chair arm. The part is made from FN 0405-130HT and has a typical density of 7 grams per cubic centimeter and a micro indentation hardness equivalent to 55 HRC. Multi-level punches are used for compaction of the radii so that the gear can be formed in the die. Unique fixturing is needed during sintering so that the part can meet the tolerances required for the post-sintering, drilling, and tapping operation. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the awards of distinction winners in the 2019 PM Design Excellence Awards competition. We will now invite representatives of the winning companies to the stage to receive their awards. Please join with us on congratulating them on their achievements.